In this mini video tutorial, I'll be talking about how you can manage your inner critic in relation to public speaking. Of course, we all have an inner voice and we all have an inner critic, whether you're Meghan Markle or whether you're Boris Johnson. Well, perhaps not Boris, but all normal people, I promise. So, how do we do this? The first thing is to be aware of what we're saying inside our head, because we can only change it when we become aware of it. So, for example, if you hear yourself saying, "What if they think I'm silly when I say this?" then there's a couple of things that you can do. The first thing is you can realise that that is actually your inner critic and that thought isn't a part of you. So you can say, "Thank you, I no longer need you. However, I've got this," or "I know this, I'm confident at this," or "I know what I'm talking about," for example. And another strategy you can do, if you hear your inner critic, you can simply say delete, and at the same time as you're saying delete, in your head you can imagine that you're pressing the delete on your keypad, because we do that all the time, so we're subconsciously programmed to know that that movement means delete. So please do try these two strategies out and let me know how you get on. Thank you very much.